everybody. It's the Makeup Jeannie today. Sometimes I may be the Creations by Jeannie, but today I'm just the Makeup Jeannie. And I am this to show you. Why do I always mess up? This is a monthly subscription called Slay Glam Box. This is my first one. I know some people, like if you were the first 50 to sign up, which was last month or the month before, because I think it's only about our third or fourth month, that you got an extra product. So unfortunately I missed that, but here that is again, and it's cute. It does get smushed, however, in the shipping, but it is a little purse made out of cardboard, paper, cardstock. And when I was doing all my stamping up and gift cards and stuff, I always did these. So I have already opened this, but I have not swatched anything yet. The first item, however, you know, I should stop opening little boxes before I get in here, because when I do that, I always take the card out and then I forget. So I don't have prices on here, but some of the prices on her little card was like, oh wow, that's very expensive. And if you went to the actual company's website, it did have that price. But I could find when I put in the product, the first thing that came up was like Amazon and I think maybe Etsy and stuff. And things that were saying they were like 22 plus bucks was like $6. So I don't know. I'm fairly new at doing the subscription boxes and the pricing and stuff. But this is Steve Laurent in the color Mocha. I did a few swatches already on my back of my hand. So here's the Mocha. It's really pretty. It's got some red tones to it, since I would have thought it would have been more brown with the name Mocha, but it was not. Then the next item is the Kailyn Face Modeling Contour Palette. And so if you open this up, you come at it from above. So it's got the different contour. It's got the yellow over here for covering up dark. And I don't know. It's a primer, and then you have a finish, and all the rest of them are contour. However, the one in the center right here, this is like a highlighter type because it's shimmer. Very creamy. So that's that item. Okay, the next item that was with that is the Kalin contour brush. It's a double-ended brush. It's a round taper on one end, and then when I say taper, I mean it is taller on this side than that side, but it is barely. Now that's definitely tapered, but that is a rounded taper, not a flat. Okay, and I don't know what the name for those brushes are. Okay, this product actually I think goes with this other one down in here, so we pull this out. Okay, this is the Pretty Woman hold on. I thought I opened it already, but it taped itself shut. Okay. Yes, here's the card. It is called Get the Look Pretty Woman It's Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it comes with 3 loose eye shades. It comes with a eye primer. It comes with 2 brushes. It's their brush number 35, which is a rounded one without me taking it out, I know. And then another fine tapered, it's called an eyeliner, or yes, eyeliner brow brush. I use those a lot of times for just detailing with the actual eyeshadow. Okay, this now is pretty cool. It's called Fix It Clear Liner. This, though, however, is by the Kailin, not the Bella Pierre. But when I was reading what this is, it is a liner. We're going to see if it'll work, because obviously you really can't see it when I put it on my hand because it's clear. Okay. Okay, I put it here where, like I said, I knew you weren't going to be able to see that. However, it is designed, okay, I'm not going to open the Bella Pierre because I have my concrete minerals sitting right here. So we're just going to open that. Okay, now I can see, okay, this little part right here at the bottom is not where any liner is, but if you look at these parts, and then my camera, I hate that. Okay, here to here is where I put the liner, and so especially at this bottom part you can really tell where the eyeshadow stuck to it. I know it's taking me forever to get this out, people. I'm so sorry. I should have thought about what I wanted to say before I did this. Okay, so you put the clear liner down and you basically turn it into any color that you want. And that's the reason why you would have wanted to use this fine detailing brush right here, because when you put, we can give it a go one more time. How about that? All right. We will do it across the back. Okay, put a couple of stripes. Yeah, I don't think you can see that, which is what I wanted. All right. I can see it up close though, however. Okay, I'm going to take a blue. Yeah, that did much better. Okay, can y'all see the blue stripe? I had other fallout around it and I blew it off and it all came off except for where the liner, the clear liner's at. So that's pretty cool. So it enables you to color any shadow color that you want for your liner. Okay, that didn't come out very well either. All right, well, these Bella Pierre, we'll get on with the colors real quick. We have Cocoa, which is a gorgeous, it almost has a pink undertone, but it's a, I'm gonna say it's a coppery color, same as they've been being. This one again also has a pinkish undertone. It's called Earth. It's shimmery. And then this last one is called Champagne, which I don't really see the pinks in it. I see more gold tone in this one. But here are the 3 shades together. Yeah, because the one in the middle and this one are not showing on camera as dark as they are. Especially this one. Let's see if I can get the little tab out and I'll swatch this one. I got it out. Now the trick is getting some on my finger. There we go. Okay, it's hard when you have curved nails. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, this is this right here. That's the copper. Again, I really don't think that's showing as well to y'all, but it is gorgeous, let me tell you. Very, very pretty. And I can only imagine the other two are just as pretty. And again, this one was the, it says makeup base. Maybe it does go under makeup, but I think this just goes under, it's for your eyes. Because why would it be in the eye kit? Let's see what the little card says. Prepare the eyelids to prevent any eyeshadow from creasing into the lids. It's essential to keep the eyelids oil free. To do this, apply the Bella Pierre Makeup Base Primer onto the eye. Well, I wouldn't want to put it in the eye or on my eye. I should have said eyelid, because there are people who are smart. Okay, so again, I'm horrible with remembering the prices. I do believe this is $24.50. That seems to be about the average price for things around that $25 mark. So let me know what y'all think about it. If you think it's worth it or not. Like I said, everything that was in here, I ended up, when I put it into the online, I sound like a freaking old person. Oh, no comments. Okay. Every time I went on the internet and searched for like Bella Pierre Cosmetics and I pulled this up, at their website, it was what she has listed. But this wasn't the first thing that came up. The first things that were coming up, like especially like the Kailin Cosmetics, was Amazon and Etsy. And most everything was around that $6. This may have been 10 or 12, but it wasn't what was marked on the card, which was around, I think, 55. Oh man, that may not be right. But anyway, so that is the Slay Glam Box. I only ordered, I think I did a 3-month. And that is my first one, so I should be getting 2 more of those. And I guess that's it. Just mind my craziness. Video either before or after will be on the eye look, which was using the Caftan palette by Sponjac. And I will have a link for that as well. And that is it. Y'all have a lovely, wonderful day.